To change the straps on Redmi Watch 5 Active, you will need to begin with turning your watch upside down. Then for each of the strap, you can find the gap next to it right here and right here. Now to remove it, you will need to take something very thin or your fingernail and pull it downwards. Then just grab the strap and remove it like this. Now if you want to reinsert a new strap, you will need to apply and anchor the bottom side here and then pull on the lever again. It's a bit tricky, but I think we can do it. Let me try that again, sorry. Okay, we've done it, and now the strap is applied. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.